Good morning everyone, I'm Dieter, I'm working at Vandenborne Aardappelen and I'm going to explain you a little bit the trial we did with StimBlue this year here at our farm. We on our potato field here we are currently standing. We had a standard treatment zone there. We added some fertilizer and we sprayed it like we are normally doing on all our fields. Then we have the part where we wanted to test out the StimBlue. All the other treatments we did, like seed potatoes, the fertilizers, the chemicals we applied, we did on both treatment zones equally, so no different dosages, everywhere the same. But then 2 times in June, in the beginning of June and close to the end of June, we applied 2 times the StimBlue on the field. On our trial field here in Reusel, we have mostly sandy soils, so high depending on the capabilities of water and sunlight that we got or didn't got. The season here went quite well. We had some dry periods in the beginning of June, but we were lucky to be able to irrigate this field because it was highly needed, and that makes us that the field was growing quite equally in the beginning, during the beginning stages of the crops. A bit more towards the end of July, beginning of August, the plants were starting to suffer a little bit from the heat and from the dry weather we had. At that time I did a drone flight of the field, just a quick look from above, from the front and the back of the field. There we could see some small changes in the greenness in the treatment zone. That was where we applied the StimBlue 2 times. We could see that the plants were looking just a little bit more greener compared to the standard where we didn't apply it. As you can see, currently the field is not harvested yet, but it's close to the planning, so we are also looking forward to the yield data that we are going to get from our AVR harvester, looking to the plots that we will zone out, make some cards of to look at the yield per treatment zone, and then we use our soil scan to see the differences in the yield between the standard not treated and the treated part with StimBlue. That's so we're looking forward to that, and that was our short explanation about the trial here. I want to thank also the whole company for the fast response I always had when I had questions or to deliver the products on time when needed, and thinking together with us how we can test out in a real field experience the StimBlue compared to other products or compared to standard ways of agriculture.